Welcome to our educational video on heart health. In this video, we will discuss the top 10 warning signs that may indicate potential heart problems. Hello. My name is Daniel. I'm a medical student, and you're watching the Health and Animation channel, a channel focused on disease prevention, health, and well-being. Don't forget to leave a like on the video, share, or comment if you have any symptoms. Number 1. Chest pain. This is one of the most common symptoms of a heart problem. The pain can be described as tightness, pressure, weight, or discomfort in the chest. This occurs when the blood supply to the heart is reduced, which can happen due to the narrowing or blockage of the coronary arteries. Number 2. Shortness of breath. Difficulty breathing, especially during physical activities or when lying down, can indicate heart failure. This can cause fluid buildup in the lungs, making it hard to breathe. Number 3. Dizziness or a feeling of fainting can be a sign of a heart problem, such as arrhythmia or heart failure. This can occur due to a decrease in blood flow to the brain. Number 4. Fatigue, especially during activities that would not normally cause tiredness, can be a sign of heart problems. This can be a sign that the heart is not able to pump enough blood to the body. Number 5. Nausea or loss of appetite, especially when accompanied by other heart symptoms, can be a sign of heart problems. This can be caused by a buildup of fluid in the liver or gastrointestinal tract due to heart failure. Number 6. Excessive sweating, especially night sweats or sweat that is not related to heat or exercise, can be a sign of heart problems. This can be a sign that the body is working harder to pump blood, which can occur during a heart attack. Number 7. Palpitations, which can be described as fast heartbeats, irregular heartbeats, or a feeling of pause between heartbeats, can be a sign of cardiac arrhythmia. Arrhythmias can occur due to changes in the heart structure, electrolyte imbalances, or stress. Number 8. Swelling in the legs, ankles, and feet can be a sign of heart failure, a condition where the heart is unable to pump enough blood to the body. This can cause fluid retention and swelling. Number 9. Fainting or sudden loss of consciousness can be a sign of a serious heart problem, such as cardiac arrhythmia or heart attack. This can occur due to a sudden decrease in blood flow to the brain. Number 10. Pain in the back, shoulders, or jaw, especially if the pain is new, worsens with exercise, or is accompanied by chest pain, can be a sign of angina or heart attack. The pain may be referred to these areas due to the way the nerves of the heart communicate with the brain. Number 11. Confusion or memory loss. Memory problems or confusion can be signs of heart problems in older people and people at high risk of heart disease. This can occur when the heart is not able to pump enough blood to the brain. Number 12. Cold, moist skin can be a sign of heart failure or heart attack. This occurs when the heart is unable to pump enough blood to maintain the body's normal temperature. Number 13. Syncope, or temporary loss of consciousness, usually caused by a drop in blood pressure, can be a sign of heart problems, including arrhythmias or heart failure. Number 14. Cyanosis, a bluish discoloration of the skin, lips, and nails, can be a sign of low oxygen levels in the blood due to heart problems. Number 15. Abdominal pain or stomach pain. Although less common, abdominal pain or stomach pain can be a symptom of angina or heart attack. This occurs when the blood flow to the heart is blocked, causing damage to the heart muscle. Remember, if you experience any of these warning signs, it's crucial to consult a healthcare professional for a proper evaluation. Take care of your heart health.